Getting about those things again for tuning into yet another video. Infamous coming at you from the West Coast yet again, San Jose, California. Yeah, so anyways, this video, another off-topic thing, and I guess I just want to share what we've been going through, or what we had to do to kind of just overcome this whole damn disease that we're dealing. So anyways, I tested somewhere on Tuesday. That came back positive, of course, and the variant that we're dealing with right now, I'm guessing it's Omicron, because yeah, I mean it's somewhere in the higher numbers right now. Delta's already gone and passed behind us. So anyways, I've been getting better. I thought I was going to be in a better, I guess, in a better position, or somewhere, just somewhere's a little bit better along the line, but yeah, I still have some minor symptoms: coughing, stuffy nose. The sore throat is just the biggest one that stands out with this damn variant. It's just the sore throat is yeah, it's something else when you're dealing with this variant. But anyways, yeah, I mean, as you guys saw in the title, my 8-month-old has COVID, and it's been very tough on him. My girl, she also has it too. They got tested on Wednesday. My kid's results, my 8-month-old came back this morning, and he's positive. So I mean, we knew he had it because of course I got it. They got tested around the same time Tuesday. Didn't show any symptoms until somewhere around later that afternoon on Tuesday. So it's now Saturday, and it's been a tough 3 days. It's been absolutely just it's a nightmare dealing with this thing, and of course he's confused. He doesn't know what's going on. 104 fever, high fevers. It's just been nonstop, and it's been terrible on him. So I mean, we're doing everything that we can. It's just we've been able to dodge all these other variants out there, and I mean, we knew we were gonna it was eventually gonna come around and get us. And that's something that we knew back last year in May. So he's 8 months. We knew that this disease was going to be around, and we knew that we were probably going to get into something like this. So it was just it's just scary raising kids right now, especially with this disease and these variants coming in and out. Just I don't know what's going on, but it just sucks. And seeing him suffer, seeing him just confused, having the body aches. I know what symptoms he's had, and I know he's just having the roughest time right now dealing with this. And it's just tough seeing him suffer like that. So it just breaks my heart. Yeah, you know what, the only thing I could if you're dealing with it right now is comforting, and Tylenol. If your kid is older than that, then maybe talk to your doctor about giving them other medications. But I believe as of right now, if your kid is younger than 1 year old or 1 year, then your only option is Tylenol, and just comforting. So we've been giving them, we've been trying to give him food. We've been trying to get him hydrated, but just his throat hurts so much, he doesn't want anything. He sees a bottle of milk and he starts crying because he's hungry, but his throat is it's just killing him. So he's been doing better now. Like I said, this is now 3 days. So he's been doing better. I think the body aches stopped, the fevers have stopped. Like I said, they're high fevers. Once they get around 104, we actually put them in this little tub and cool them down. So that has helped out a lot for the fevers. It's been a great help just putting them in this little tub for about 10 to 15 minutes. So if you're out there and you're dealing with fevers, that has helped out a lot. We've done that 3 times now. We put him in the tub and help him out, and I say maybe 10 minutes, 15 minutes after his bath, he just does a lot better. So that's helped out. Of course, the Tylenol, every 4 hours we've been giving him fever reducers, pain reducers, everything, because I mean, like I said, I've been through it. I've had the same symptoms, and I know he's dealing with a lot. And as far as the whole virus thing, like I said, I mean, we've dodged all the variants. I've been wearing my damn mask you know, 8-9 hours a day, constantly. You know, I have scarring right here and right here now. I don't know if you guys remember, I had some bruising up here because I'm using the N95 now to kind of, you know, just to make sure I don't get them sick. But, you know, like I said, so yeah, I have scarring up here and here from just wearing the mask all day, and, you know, just talking, working, and yeah, it's been rubbing where the string meets the mask, so that's where it's been rubbing on a lot. And now I have these little just marks. So like, yeah, so I mean, we've been doing as much as we can. My girl, she actually has her booster scheduled for February, and I don't know, it just seems like this variant seems to be getting around the you know what, I'm not supposed to say that, but anyways, she's scheduled for her booster in February. So yeah, I mean, this whole thing, I just don't even know anymore. I think in other countries they already stopped, you know, the mandates and all this other stuff. So I don't know. I mean, so like I said, if you're dealing with it, good luck, guys. It's bad, and you know, just keep on trying. Like I said, you know, he only ate about 10 ounces on Friday, yesterday. So that's not even half of what he usually takes. Like I said, this sore throat thing is just devastating. And I don't know. I mean, I want to complain. I want to, you know, I want to be able to blame someone for this. And I think you guys know who I blame. And I don't know. It's just the media, the way they've been using this as a weapon to divide everybody. Yeah, I mean, it's not. I think everybody's blaming one another without even, you know. You see Fauci, Anthony Fauci. I don't know how you pronounce his stupid last name, but he's, you know, he's just over there, kind of like, you know, like the kid with the soda, just kind of like, you know, just over there while everybody's pointing their fingers, and you have the media pointing the fingers at red states, and the other media they're pointing the fingers at blue states. You see it on social media. You see the you know, these stupid people pointing out stats, and it's like, oh, look at the cases here, look at the cases over there. It's like, man, nobody even stops to like really think, like, guys, like the guy that started all of this, the guy that funded this whole thing, he's just over there chilling. I don't know. I'm just wondering, like, does this guy even lose, and, you know, any sleep over what he has brought on everybody? And, you know, there's a quote out there from him. He was saying it was worth the risk to, you know, to be dealing with what we're dealing with now. It's just, and I don't know, it just gets me upset seeing that he's over there. He still has his job, and nobody, you know, nobody bothers to, you know, I guess there's been people asking him, and, you know, there's been people blaming him for all of this, and he's just kind of like, you know what, I'm the science. Anyways, enough ranting, I guess. Yeah, I'm still upset, but you know, other tips, and, you know, to help you get through this, is just, you know, just pray, and just keep those positive vibes. And we've tried, you know, warming up the mouth, trying to, you know, just help him with his throat. He or she, if you're dealing with it, they're gonna go to sleep on an empty stomach. Like I said yesterday, he's only had about 10 ounces. The day before that, around the same amount. So, they're going to be sleeping on empty stomachs for the next couple of days. And what we tried is just warming up the milk. You know, try to help ease that throat, and, you know, kind of like tea and stuff like that. For us grown adults, we use honey and whatever you have. I mean, you could try that, but like I said, my kid's under a year, so I guess it's bad for him, honey and stuff like that. So I don't know. I mean, that's what that's what we did. Just baths, Tylenol, and just try to warm up his fluids to kind of help him pass his fluids through. So, and just babying him a lot. You know, whenever he's crying, walk around. You guys know the whole ordeal. Okay, so I don't know what else is there anything else for me to kind of add? You know what, I think that's it. If you're going through this right now with your loved ones, or, you know, with your little one, good luck. You know, just hang in there, and do, you know, just do as much as you can for them. Be there for them 24/7. I mean, this is the only way to be, you know, get out of it. It's gonna be sleepless nights, and just, you know, just try to just make them as comfortable as possible, and you know, let them play with whatever they want. So you guys just stay out there, stay safe, don't believe everything you read. Life's a risk. Get out there and ride. Later.